Templates are documents you can access on the Start screen that are already designed for you. They cut down the time it takes you to create professional-looking documents. Even the blank document in Word is a template. It's known as the default template. It's good to know, though, that you can modify it to fit your needs. Let's open a new blank document. As you can see, the current font is Calibri size 11. This is the default font for Word 2013. It isn't difficult to make changes to the default template. First, we'll open the dialog box by clicking the arrow in the Font group under the Home tab. This will open the Font dialog box and allow us to make our changes. Now we'll decide which font size to use. Remember, every time we open a blank document, the font we select will be the default. Next, we can scroll through the list of available fonts. There are several to choose from, so we'll need to choose the font style we most commonly use. Now that we've made our changes, we'll need to click the Set as Default button in the lower left corner of the window. Another dialog box will open, asking if we'd like to set this font size and style as the default for this document, or all documents based on the normal template. We'll select all documents based on the normal template. Now we'll click OK to set the changes and close the font dialog box. Let's close this document. We won't save it this time. Now we'll restart Word for our next example. Microsoft provides a number of templates to make your work easier. They can help you create a budget, write professional letters, design flyers and forms, and more. If you are connected to the Internet, you can search for and download hundreds of existing templates from Office.com. We can view the templates from the Start screen or by clicking the File tab, then going to New. We can scroll through the default templates shown using the scroll bar to get an idea of what's available. If the available templates don't meet our needs, we can always use the template search field. Let's search for a newsletter template. Word searches the online database for a newsletter template. We'll select the first newsletter option from the list. We are provided information about the template, including a description of the template, ratings from other users, more images which allow us to see the way the rest of the document is formatted, and arrows allowing us to move to the next search results. To move back to the original result, click the arrow to the left. We may want to select a different template. On the right is the Category pane, where you narrow your search for a template by category. We'll narrow our search to the marketing category. Then narrow further to a half-fold newsletter. If our results are too narrow, we can hover over a selected category and click the X next to it and remove the category selection. We'll clear our category searches and click the Home button next to the search field. This returns us to the main template screen. Let's open another template. This time we will search for the Spring Event Flyer. We'll see the same description information we saw earlier. We'll click the Create button to create a document from the template. Once you've opened a template, you can now make changes to it. You can change the font size, font color, and more. You can also customize the text to make the template your own. We will add our text and replace the template placeholder. We'll just click on the placeholder we want to edit and type our text. We can modify the formatting of our text using the Style Gallery. While our text is still selected, we can look at the Style Gallery to see which style is currently applied to it. We can select a different style to change the formatting. We can also modify the image in our template. We are able to click the images to select them. A bounding box appears around the picture, letting us know it is the active object in the document. We'll learn how to work with images later in this course. We can also apply different themes if we want to quickly change the formatting of our template. Themes can include font styles, color palettes, and special effects that work well together and even complement each other. This is handy if we use a theme for our other documents. Let's view our options. We'll click the Design tab, then choose one of the Quick Access themes or the drop-down arrow of the Themes button in the Document Formatting group. We can hover over the different options to get a preview of how the document will look after we apply a theme. We'll click the theme we'd like to apply. Let's choose Ion from the options in the theme drop-down area. We may like the formatting of the new theme, but not the color. We can change the colors of the theme by clicking the drop-down arrow of the Colors button located to the right of the standard themes. We'll see a preview as we move over each option. We'll click the violet color option to apply it. We can apply a theme to any of our documents, not just templates. If we have a document we've created, we can use the same steps to apply one of the themes and even change the color as we did here. You can modify the current colors or create your own custom color theme instead of using the ones that Word provides. Let's click the Color button in the Document Formatting group under the Design tab, then select the Customize Colors option. Now we'll choose the colors for the various elements. There are many options available. Our choices are shown in the sample area, allowing us to preview our changes. We'll save this new color theme to apply it to future documents. Let's enter New Business in the name field and click Save. Now, when we click the Color button, our new business color theme will show at the top of the list. We can create a custom font theme as well. We'll click Fonts under the Design tab next to the Colors button. Now we can change one or both of the heading or body font styles. We'll enter New Business in the name field and click Save. The new font theme shows at the top of the Fonts Theme drop-down list. You can also create your own template in Word 2013. We know we'll use this template again in the future, so instead of having to go through these steps to modify it again, we'll just save this as our own template. All we need to do is click the File button, then click Save As. Now we'll choose the location we want to save the template to, use the default file name, or choose a name for our template, then select Word Template or Macro-Enabled Word Template from the Save As type drop-down, and click OK.